welcome to my channel April Flowers. I'm Tushara. Today I'm going to share with you my recipe for oatmeal banana brownies. This recipe is a healthier alternative to the regular brownies. So let's see how it is done. Firstly, we need to preheat the oven at 350 degree Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Next, I have prepared the baking tray. Here I have taken 9 into 6 inch baking tray. These are regular brownie pans. I have oiled the sides and you may place an aluminium foil or parchment paper at the bottom. Next, I have taken the dry ingredients. This is 1 3/4 cup of oatmeal. Just run the regular oats in a blender into a fine powder. And here I have 3/4 cup of regular cocoa powder. This is unsweetened. To that I'll add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Just sift it through a strainer in order to get rid of the lumps. Half a teaspoon of salt. So we'll just whisk all the dry ingredients together to make a uniform mixture. So the dry ingredients are ready. For the wet ingredients, first you will need 3 ripe and sweet bananas. So we'll just mash the bananas with the help of a fork. The bananas are nicely mashed. Comes to about 2.5 cups. Next we need 2 large eggs. I have taken in a mixing bowl. We'll just whisk the eggs first. So after beating the eggs nice and airy, we'll add the mashed bananas and just mix it in. Next we'll add 3/4 cup of sugar. You may add up to 1.5 cups of sugar depending on the sweetness you need. Also you may substitute the sugar with other sweeteners if you want it to be more healthy. Mix it in. Next we'll add half a cup of any flavorless oil such as corn oil, canola or sunflower oil, and half a cup of milk. 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla essence or vanilla extract. Now we'll give all the wet ingredients a final mix. So now the wet ingredients as well as the dry ingredients are ready. Now I'll add 1/3 at a time of the dry ingredients into the wet and carefully fold it in. Is ready. It's already smelling really amazing. We now pour it into the baking tray. Put a tap on the counter to get rid of the air bubbles. And now we'll bake it at 350 degree Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. So the brownie baked exactly for 40 minutes now. It may take plus or minus 5 minutes depending on the oven. So we'll let it cool for some time before demolding it. So I'll just place a plate on it and overturn it. I just cut a piece and show you how soft it is. Still hot, so it's better to let it cool for some time before cutting. Brownie is extremely soft and chocolatey and sufficiently sweet because of the bananas we added. You have to wait until it cools down completely and then you can cut it into small squares. Since the brownies contain oats and banana, you cannot store it overnight at room temperature. You may have to refrigerate it. Give this oatmeal banana brownie recipe a try and let me know. Also tell me your suggestions and opinions in the comment section below. And if you like this recipe, please hit the like button. And also don't forget to subscribe if you already have it. Until next time, it's bye from me. Thanks for watching.